Hi from Sonoscope. I'd like to show how to use Softube Console1 sidechain with Ableton Live. So over here I have pad and kick. On channel 1 is pad, on channel 2 is kick. So what we do, we want to control pad with the kick. So on channel 1 on console 1 window I will put sidechain drop down channel 2. This is kick. On Softube Console 1 over here we have the switch external sidechain, so you can put it on compressor and shape. I will leave it on shape. I will turn on the shape. You're not seeing it. Okay, so I have here shape control, and that is going to work. That's it, all working. Bye.